Let's begin with the core of the case, a procurement scam involving composting equipment that was never actually delivered. Despite the absence of goods, payment was processed and released by the government. Ofelia Caunan, acting as officer in charge of the General Services Office, played a pivotal role by signing and certifying documents that facilitated the disbursement of public funds. This so-called ghost delivery scheme is a classic example of fraudulent procurement, where paperwork is manipulated to make it appear as though government contracts have been fulfilled, even when no goods or services are provided. Such schemes not only drain public resources, but also erode trust in public institutions. Ofelia Caunan defended herself by claiming she merely relied on her subordinate staff and performed only ministerial functions. She argued that she had no direct role in the physical inspection of the deliveries and that her actions were routine, not discretionary. Caunan insisted that the Sandiganbayan, the anti-graft court, misunderstood the facts and failed to prove the essential elements of Section 3E of RA 3019. Specifically, she challenged the findings of evident bad faith, manifest partiality, and the conferral of unwarranted benefits to the supplier. Her defense highlights a common argument among public officials facing similar charges, that they were simply following procedures without any intent to commit wrongdoing. Supreme Court ultimately rejected Caunan's defenses and affirmed her conviction. The court emphasized that her signatures on the disbursement and inspection documents were not mere formalities, they were affirmative acts that enabled the illegal payment for non-existent equipment. The court found that all elements of Section 3E were present. Caunan's certifications showed evident bad faith, caused undue injury to the government, and granted unwarranted benefits to the supplier. Importantly, she failed to demonstrate any misapprehension of facts or disregard of evidence by the Sandiganbayan. This ruling sends a strong message. Public officials who sign, certify, or process documents that trigger payment for undelivered goods are criminally liable. The decision reinforces strict accountability and aims to deter fraudulent procurement practices in government.